Welcome all of the students. After batching, the next process or the operation of the concreting is a mixing. So after batching of ingredient of the concrete, the mixing is carried out by manual mixing or by mechanical mixing. So the mixing is done by the two methods, that is manual mixing by use of the labors, and second is by using the mixers. There are two types of the mixer, that is tilting mixer and non-tilting mixer. So manual mixing is suitable for the low quantity or the less quantity of the concrete and for the small work. And where the large quantity of the concrete is required to be prepared, then we go for the mixer, that is mechanical machines. So after batching, the next process is mixing. First we go for the methods, that is manual mixing. So in manual mixing, the method is suitable for the small quantity of concrete and for small repair work, where the small quantity of concrete is required to be prepared, or for the repair works where the very small quantity or the low quantity of the concrete is required for the repair work, then we use the manual method. Sometimes also in a site during the construction, there are some structural element has to be casted, which are having the low size or the require the low quantity of the concrete. So in that case, we require the concrete to be mixed by the manual mixing. It is done by using the labors. In this method, the ingredients, that is cement, sand, aggregate, water, all the ingredients are mixed two times in a dry condition. It is we have to be mixed them two times in a dry condition and two times in a wetted condition. We take firstly all the ingredients and then mixed in a dry condition, that is cement, sand and aggregate are mixed in a dry condition for two times, and after addition of the water they again mixed two times in a wetted condition. In wetted condition means we have to be mixed with after addition of the water. So while manual mixing, care should be taken that the water quantity should be as per the requirement, because some cases the to make concrete easy for the mix, the laborers will add the extra quantity of water. So we have to be take the care during the mixing by the manual manual mixing, and we have to take the proportion of the ingredients carefully. And we have to be mixed uniformly such that the mixture become uniform, and it should not be get segregated due to the improper mixing. So it is about the manual mixing. Next, that is by using the mixer. So mixer are used when there are required to be large quantity of the concrete, and the mixer are useful because they mix the concrete uniformly, and the ingredients, once they are proportional done, then they will be continue till the end of the batch, that is end of the concrete. So mixers are generally used for the large quantity work like the slab or the base concrete, etc. So in mixer there are two type of the mixers are used generally. First is tilting mixer and second is non-tilting mixer. First we go for the tilting mixer. This is the diagram showing the tilting mixer. It containing the revolving drum in which the ingredients are filled. It having the blade. So revolving drum containing the blade, due to which the mixing of the concrete is done properly. And hopper is provided where the fresh where the concrete ingredients are placed, that is the cement sand aggregate are placed in the in this hopper, and the hopper will raised into the drum, and these ingredients are filled into the drum, and then drum is rotated along the drum is rotated, and it will mix all the ingredient, and then it tilted such that the concrete will discharge on the opposite side. This machine we see commonly in a construction site, that is maximum during the casting of the slab. So it is the tilting type mixer in which upper drum plates are provided such that we show the image. This is image of the tilting mixer. It is containing the hopper. This is the drum. It is provided with the wheels for the movement. We have to be put the ingredients into the hopper. Then when hopper raised, then ingredients are placed into the drum. Then drum is start rotating, and due to the rotation of the drum, the concrete is mixed. Then hopper will raise down into the initial position, and then drum is tilted, and the concrete is discharged into the respective hard place, or the steel plate, or the handcrafts. So this is the tilting type mixer. This type of the mixer are having the conical shaped revolving drum with three set of the blade on inner surface of drum. The drum can be tilted about its horizontal axis. So this is having the revolving drum with conical shape and the three set of the blade on the inner side. The hopper is loaded with the ingredient, and it is placed the ingredient into the drum. The hopper is lowered back into the position, and water is added into the drum, and concrete is mixed for 3 to 5 minutes by rotation of the drum. When the ingredients, when the concrete is required to be prepared, then we have to be place the ingredients into the hopper, and then hopper is raised, and this hopper will discharge or place the ingredient into the revolving drum. And when the ingredients are placed, then we directly add the water into the revolving drum. So in a hopper we add only the cement sand aggregate, and water will be added directly into the revolving drum. And when the water is added, the concrete mixing is done by rotation of the revolving drum with 3 to 5 minutes. So we have to be done the mixing 3 to 5 minutes. And when mixing is done, then we discharge the concrete. So like this, the hopper is raised so that it will place all the ingredient into the drum, and then drum start rotation. Okay. After mixing, the drum is tilted to the opposite side, and the concrete is discharged on the metal sheet or on hard surface. The drum is rotated back into the position, and it is ready for the next batch mixing. So when mixing is done, then the drum is tilted in a horizontal axis, that is opposite side, and the concrete is discharged into the hard surface or the metal surface. The drum is again placed back into the position. Sorry, the hopper is placed back into the position, and then next batch mix, that is ingredients are added, and same procedure repeated for the number of batches. So this is commonly used tilting type mixer. Next is non-tilting mixer. So this is the diagrammatic representation of the non-tilting mixer. It is containing the water tank at the top. It is having the cylindrical drum. Then it's a delivery unit, wooden planks, wheels, then hoppers. Then it is a cable is provided. It is non-tilting type mixer, that is in this the drum is not tilted. It can be rotated, drum can be rotated, but it cannot be tilted. Like this, it is the image which shows having the hopper, and this is the drum. The drum can be rotated along its axis, but it cannot be tilted. Drum is fixed at the position. So therefore it is known as the non-tilting type mixer. The drum position is fixed such that it only rotates along its axis, but it cannot be tilted. Therefore it is known as the non-tilting type mixer. Water tank is provided at the top for the mixing the water into the concrete. the hopper is provided. In this, the hopper, in hopper, the first we add the all ingredients of the concrete, that is cement, sand, aggregate, and then the hopper is raised with use of the cable, and this hopper will fill the ingredients into this drum. And when ingredients are filled into the drum start rotate, drum is rotated, and the water quantity is added directly into the drum from the water tank provided at the top in a required amount. And when water quantity is added by rotation of the drum start rotation, and the revolution of the drum, the concrete get mixed, and then the through the delivery unit, the concrete is discharged into the hard surface or the metal sheet provided through the wooden planks. So concrete discharge from this delivery unit. When the concrete is totally mixed, then delivery unit is placed into the wooden planks, and due to the placement of the delivery unit and due to the revolution of the drum, the concrete discharge into the hard surface or the metal sheet. Here it is the delivery unit is provided. When hopper is raised, the ingredients are filled into the drum. Drum is revolved, and revolution of the drum causes the mixing of the ingredient. The water is added to the water tank provided at the top. And then when mixing is done, then delivery through the delivery unit, the concrete is discharged into the hard surface or the metal surface. So all the ingredients are placed in the hopper. The hopper is raised by the lifting cable which place the ingredients into the drum. So plus first we add the ingredients into the hopper, and the hopper will place the ingredients into the drum. The water tank is provided at the top from which the required amount of water is added into the batch mix. So we have to be add the water to the water tank which is provided at the top. The mixing is done by the rotation of the drum, and the opening is provided on the opposite side of the drum which discharge the concrete. The concrete is discharged through the discharging unit on a metal sheet or the hard surface. So it is all about the non-tilting mixer and tilting mixer. So this is the non-tilting mixer diagrammatic representation. In a exam, they may ask the difference between the tilting type mixer and non-tilting type mixer. Then from the points, you have to be write the difference. That is the tilting type. In tilting type mixer, the drum can be tilted, but in non-tilting type mixer, the drum cannot be rotated. So like this, we have to be differentiate some points. So it is all about the mixing point. In next lecture, we go for the next concrete operation, that is the formwork. Thank you very much for joining with us.